Alright, in this problem we've got this matrix of dots, and we're told that the distance between adjacent dots in each row and each column is 1 centimeter. And using these dots as vertices, how many triangles with an area of 3 square centimeters can be drawn? Alright, well, to get the area of a triangle, it's just 1/2 base times height. Okay, we're going to use these dots and create triangles. So there's a couple different cases we can look at. We can look at the case where the base is equal to 3 and the height is 2. Okay, that'll give us an area of 3 square centimeters. Or we can look at the case where the base is 2 and the height is 3. And that'll also give us an area of 3 square centimeters. So let's look at what we can do. Alright, so here's 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters. And I need a height of 2. Okay, so I've got to come all the way up to this row of dots. And if I create a triangle here, I have a height of 2 and a base of 3. Okay, so we're dealing with this case here. So base of 3, height of 2, and that'll give me 3 square centimeters. And really, if I take this as the base, right here, use this as the base and connect it to any of these dots in the top row, I get a height of 2 centimeters, and I'll have an area of 3 square centimeters. So I can draw a triangle there, I can draw a triangle here, and I can draw a triangle here. Okay? So there we go, we got 4 of them right there. So there's 4. And then if I flip this upside down, I can get, let's see, I'm going to pick up another color here. So I could use this as the base, and I could draw, I can draw 4 more, right? So one there, let's see, one there, and one, oops, not there, one here, and one over here, okay? So there's 4 more. So 4 plus 4 gives us 8. Alright, now let's look at the case where we have a base of 2 and a height of 3. Well, let's see. We got these same matrix of dots. I'm just going to redraw it over here. And let's take this to be the base. Alright. And then this, we could take this to be the height, this distance along here. So we could draw a triangle there, or a triangle there, or a triangle here. Alright, but we have to be careful. Some of you may have already seen this. We have to be careful because this, for example, this triangle we drew here, let me highlight it or something. Let's see, let's say green. So this triangle here is the same as this triangle here, right? It's just that we're calling the base 2 in this case, and here we called the base 3. But it's the same triangle, so we can't count that one because we already counted it over here. And the same way with this triangle here. We can't count it again because we already have it here. Right? This one. Alright? So, we only have one new triangle that I've drawn so far. And then we can flip this around, alright, and we can draw a triangle like this, which has a base of 2 and a height of 3. Okay? And, but we can't draw, let's try orange here. This one here, if we were to draw that one, that's the same as this one. Okay, so we've already counted that one, and we've already counted this one as well. Okay, so that's the same as this one. Alright, so we get one more triangle, so we have a total of 2 triangles. Alright, that have a base of 2 and a height of 3. And so now if we just add those up, we had 2 of this type and we have 8 of this type. So we have a total of 10 triangles that we can draw that have an area of 3 square centimeters.